Yes, of course I am.
Guys, it's me Srishti. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. And if you're new to my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel because we're super close to 10,000 subscribers. And also turn on the post notification bell so you guys will not miss any future content from me. I just want to take out some time to thank my beautiful subscribers because our channel reached 6,000 plus subscribers. I just want to thank you guys so much for 6,000 plus subscribers. It's straight up insane. I love you guys so much. Now about the video, you can see the title. This is a glow up quarantine edition. We are at our homes for a very long time and have no motivation to do anything productive or something related to self-care. I was kind of busy scrolling through my YouTube feed, which I always am, came across a lot of quarantine related content and majority of them were glow ups isolation edition. Not gonna lie, I got hell motivated. I jumped off my bed, went straight to my mirror, looked myself in it. I was looking repulsive. And then I realized that I needed to pull myself all together. So here I am with this video. Guys, I'm well aware of the fact that at this point when the whole world is fighting against this nasty pandemic, I should be least concerned about my looks. But I'm just trying to find bits and pieces of happiness just inside my house and trying to stay positive and all. There's nothing wrong in doing that. So don't even bash me in the comments. I know what I'm doing very well. Basically today I'll be trying to look less hideous but in a budget at home. Yeah guys, save money y'all. So I have planned everything out from makeup to skincare and everything. So keep on watching and without any further ados, let's get straight into the video. So the first step of making my face a little bit better is doing the skincare, and I know you'll probably say, Srishti, I know very well what you're gonna do. Please don't do it again. But I'm gonna show you guys my go-to skincare brand, which is 100% natural. A lot of you guys ask me questions regarding your age, whether it's safe for you to use the products which I have shown in my previous video. Me myself have a very delicate skin and always look for the brands with 100% natural Ayurvedic products. The Natural Wash is one of them. The brand consists of huge ranges of skincare and hair care products including soaps, face cleansers, virgin oils, shampoo, lip care products and many more. So right now I'm going to use this The Natural Wash Depigmentation and Detan Face Pack and also tell you guys few things about this. This pack is 100% natural and can get rid of a lot of skin problems like tanning, hyperpigmentation and other skin damages. Also, not only on your face, you guys can use this on your whole body. This product is free from artificial fragrances, artificial preservatives, colorants and animal byproducts, which means this is vegan. So right now I'm going to use this. Also, compared to other skincare brands, this is actually very affordable, so that's a plus point. If you guys really want to buy these products, I have the links in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. So they also have this rose water with only 3 ingredients: rose, steam distilled water and aqua. Well, that's totally unbelievable. You guys can use this as a facial toner, mist, makeup remover. This is for all skin types, no artificial fragrance, preservative free. leave it for 20 to 25 minutes. And then I'm gonna take it off. That's how my face looks like. I'm gonna use the rose water again, but as a toner this time. I'm just making a good base for my makeup for later on. Doing your skincare before makeup is very important, y'all, and I have noticed this myself. So the last but not the least step in my skincare is going to be my lip balm, and for my lip balm I'm gonna use this The Natural Wash Herbal Lip Balm in beetroot flavor. This is paraben free and Ayurvedic as well, and I have used this before as well and I was in love with this. This is so good, guys, and you guys know beetroot is really good for your lips. This is also very long lasting. So the benefits of this product is beetroot lip balm is made with richness of many nutritious vitamins and beetroot oil, providing appropriate nourishment to the lips. This beetroot lip balm is my go-to lip balm, and my sister also loves this, and I have used this couple of times before and it had done wonders to my lips. It's super long lasting and it gives you a little bit of glitter, a little bit of shine, a bit of color. Also, if you guys really want to buy some sulfate and paraben free products, or if you guys are interested in these The Natural Wash products, then I have the links in the description bar. Don't forget to check them out. I can't even explain how happy I am with my skin and also with my hair. Like, my hair is not acting up nowadays, thank God, but my nails. Now I'm gonna choose a nail paint color and I'm super duper confused. I have a lot of options and my mind just stopped working. I have no idea what I'm gonna choose right now. What nail paint color do I want? I really want something classy which will go with every outfit that I wear. I do particularly everything on my bed, but I don't want to ruin my bed sheet. I'm gonna use these sheets and I will put my hand on it and then I will paint my nails. Finally made a decision and I chose this nail paint. This is kind of like a magenta pink sort of color, and this is from Swiss Beauty in shade number 17. That's how it looks like. So right now I'm just gonna put it on my nails and we'll be done. Now we will move on to my makeup, and I know a lot of you guys are wondering right now that she's so young, why she always does makeup on her skin. That's not good for her skin. But let me just be clear that I never do makeup on a regular basis. I only do it in the situations like when I need to film a video or take some Instagram pictures and stuff like that. And rather than that, I never put makeup on my skin because that's not good for your skin at all. It causes so much of acne and I hate it, so I never do makeup on a regular basis. Also, I know you guys were getting super duper annoyed by that little lonely earring. I just lost its mate, so that why I was just wearing the single pair. So I'm gonna do my makeup and not gonna say anything. I know the whole makeup portion is super self-explanatory, so you guys already know it, so I'm not gonna do it. guys liked this video, if you guys did enjoy it, make sure to give this video a huge jumbo thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. My next upcoming video might be a room tour, so stay tuned for that. And you guys said that you guys genuinely don't really care about my curtains, so I think I shouldn't evict this video idea anymore and I should make a video on that. It took me such a long time for editing and filming this video. This was kind of really tough for me and I tried to edit it in a different sort of manner. I don't know if it's good or not. Please tell me in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye guys.